What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glows, which released on October 31st, Halloween release. I will get into how come it was a Halloween release in a few. Before I get into the review, please make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. It's gonna help a lot to build up my channel and help me grow on YouTube, you know, with the algorithm and all that stuff. So let's get into the review. You got your 380 box, you got your size tag, size 13, Cal Glow, Cal Glow, Cal Glow. Got my receipts. Shout out to Lapstone and Hammer. Check them out. This shoe is crazy. People didn't really understand about this shoe. They just thought it was just the sole that glows, but I will show you guys in a little bit what it actually is going on with this shoe. There you go. You got your outsole with your boost on the bottom and this like exoskeleton looking outsole. Obviously that you got your prime knit upper, as you guys can see there. It's a really dope pair, man, and it's got like it's like a mint, light mint green. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up that light mint green. See if you guys can see it there, but these are really dope. They do come with an extra set of laces because, as you know, these things always come with the infinity laces and you can't take these off. I was even trying to look, see if you can, and it's not really possible without cutting the whole thing off. You got your insole, Adidas Yeezy in there. That's pretty dope. As always with the insoles, I actually went size 13 on these, and that's usually what I wear on my 380s. My Blue Oats are 13, Peppers are 13, and I mean, this is a really highly contested against the Alien pair, because the Alien pair, you made an Alien pair, but you didn't even make it glow. Like, I don't understand why you wouldn't make the sneaker glow if it's called the Alien. This shoe right here is pretty damn crazy, man. There you go. Emma picks up more of the shoe than me in the background, which is good. You got your prime nip upper, like I said. There you go. You got your hints of gray up at the top, your gray going through the middle, and on the inside you got a lighter gray on the inside one. This lighter gray kind of blends a little bit more. And then you got your holes, your perforation holes. I mean, not perforation holes, I guess they're perforation holes, or I guess breathability holes. Really dope shoe, man. I'm really excited I was able to get these. They were pretty slept on by everybody. It's a really dope shoe. I mean, I'm gonna throw these on feet so y'all can see them, and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, like I said, that was the on feet. Here they are, Calcite Glows. It's a really dope pair. I don't know when I wear these. It's like a really icy white. Love it. It was like summer this weekend, but it's gonna be like, we're already in fall winter season, so I don't know, maybe pop them out in the winter time. I'm not too sure. These are crazy. That glowing sole is crazy. I'm gonna put up video of the sole glowing right now. It's a really cool thing. I think Yeezy did a really good job with the glow and all that stuff. I know it was kind of hard to get it on the prime knit upper because with the knit material that they got here, they had to kind of like wove it in. See if you guys can see that. You see how it kind of like woven in. You see that mint? The mint, to my knowledge, is the actual glowing thread. So that's what makes these even more amazing. Most people slept on these because of the mochas. Mochas was coming out, the Jordan 1s, and everybody wanted them. And everybody's still going crazy for the mochas and whatnot. I missed on the mochas, but I'm glad I was able to get these bad boys right here. As I always say, everything happens for a reason. So it was pretty cool that I was able to scoop these up from Lapstone and Hammer. Shout out to them again. Size 13s, they flew pretty quickly. It wasn't like they were just sitting around. It's like some of the smaller sizes, like the small feet gang sizes kind of sat around, but like the 4, 5, 6, all that stuff is gone. But like 8, 9s, they still had, which was surprising. But maybe they didn't make a lot of size 13s. Maybe it's a small size run for the 13s in most stores. But I'm definitely gonna rock these. These are gonna be staying with me. I love glowing the dark soles. I love glowing the dark kicks. These are really crazy, man. I hope you guys enjoy the way I'm shooting my new content. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, you know. Welcome to Mill's World. It's gonna be your new world, my new world. We share this world together. Let's do this. So like I always say, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.